She has been the voice of conscience, calling us to be of our better selves for the good of the nation and for the vulnerable among us. As such, she has been a strong pillar of support, not only for the president, but also to the Nigerian people with whom she both served with such patriotic commitment and high purpose. The role of the First Lady is instrumental to our society and how a great number of our people relate to government, custom, and they call to her in a certain way. Yet, the issue of the day may call her in another. First Lady Aisha Buhari has done a masterful job melding the course of tradition and the imperatives of today into a creative, benevolent role that has enriched society and the art of governance. The role of First Lady provides critical support to the public functioning of the presidency. The author thus must be commended not just for documenting the background, education, career, family and public life of Mrs. Buhari in an enjoyable, easily readable manner, but also in narrating the political and constitutional context which Mrs. Buhari has molded the position of the First Lady in Nigeria. The book will be a vital read to future historians and future generations who seek to understand the evolution of the Nigerian presidency, as well as for those interested in the progress of women's rights and empowerment in our land. Against this backdrop, the title of this book, being different, is more than appropriate. Indeed, it may be the only title that fits. A human being of deep conviction and feelings, she is more than passionate about her husband and her family. You can plainly see she loves them deeply. This deep feeling is sent to a love of our country. From the very onset, Aisha was totally committed to ensuring the success of the campaign of then candidate Buhari and later to the success of the administration of President Buhari. She has a naturally strong connection with the average person because she speaks with sincerity and belief. We noticed this very early during the historic 2015 campaign. Thus, we convinced her to play a vocal role and visible role in the groundbreaking campaign. Our effort contributed to her husband's success, no doubt. She helped him to make history during that campaign. Since coming to the office of the First Lady, she has not stopped making history. She has been an active and dedicated voice to those whom society sometimes forgets. She gives comfort to the broken and seeks relief for the destitute. No one can doubt her concern and her care for the well-being of women, children, and the powerless. He has established the standard for the office of First Lady for years to come. Mrs. Buhari shows that a First Lady should not stand aloof and detached from what is happening in the country. Mrs. Buhari never shies from what she believes in. She makes being a reliable and true advisor to her husband. No doubt that Mr. President's administration has been enriched because of the active role and the teamwork that exists between husband and wife. As I conclude, may I restate that this book is an excellent discourse on the office of the First Lady. It is a fine book on the unique contribution of women to the life of the nation. Most importantly, it is a superb exposition of the life and times of Her Excellency Mrs. Aisha Buhari. Being different, Dr. Mrs. Aisha Buhari has reached the highest of heights, yet she has not allowed this to change her or turn her back on those needs. Being different, she has effortlessly melded impeccable style with intelligent substance, melded gracefully with gravitas, melded public image with principle idealism. Being different, she has carved a new path, a path not just for herself, but for one another and other women to follow and admire. The more that people follow her lead, the better. More just and more compassionate this nation shall become. And this is being different. Then so, if this is being different, then so be it. On behalf of all gathered here, as well as tens of millions of Nigerians whom you have touched, I say thank you, First Lady for the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Dr. Mrs. Aisha Buhari, for your invaluable contribution to the nation. God bless you all, and may God bless our great Nigeria.
He understands the concept of being different because in all his political life, he has remained different.